Kid Lords.
Today is Sister's Day. Today is Sister's Day. She's a sister, she's a friend. Time with her I love to spend. Always been there to the very end. All my gratitude I send. Your thoughts and dreams I will defend. You and I together until the very end. For I'm your coffee, you're my cream. Girl, we're more than just a team. You. I'm your coffee, you're my cream. Girl, we're more than just a dream. Let this be true.
I see the writing on the wall. It don't look good at all. A reminder of the pressure we're under. I see the signs with every fall. They want to see you crawl. But remember, you're a fighter. No longer bottom of the ladder. Come on, we can do better. No longer bottom of the ladder. Come on, we can do better. Let go. I hear the cry of families and friends who are in need. A heartbreaker.
So beautiful.
I see
Tell me why you don't like yourself. You're looking at the mirror and you hate yourself. You want to be someone else. Me love me God. Alright. Me just a be me and no one else. Empty barrel tell back up on shelf. Be a man to yourself. Be a man to yourself. Don't worry about me suit and felt. Make sure you're well done below your belt. Be a man to yourself, yeah. Be a man to yourself. As a man, another man, no fear mind you. Cause one day, I go behind you. Work hard, success, I go find you. No ambitious, get a youth, I go join you. Action pack like a Action Jackson. Me no want look like a Michael Jackson. Gelling in firm like the great Sir Coxon. Why them a fight for look like Dabby Dawson? Me a go